So this video is regarding the Samsung top load fully automatic washing machine. This is intended to make users aware of how to set only the spin time. Let's say you don't want rinse and the wash functionality as shown in the picture. We just only wants to dry the clothes for some more time. This is very helpful in case of winters to have additional dryer time or the spin time. Now the first step is press the power button. Next, press the function button here. We just go into spin only mode. Now we just press the start button. You see a blinking light here. This means the machine has started functioning in the spin only mode. Or you can just press it. Thank you.